fellow equestrians, good morning or good evening, wherever you are. My name is Sophie B. I'm your local New York-based equestrian here today to do another super awesome Tried EQ unboxing. I'm so pumped to share with you guys what I bought this time. This time, it's for a saddle pad I have that was discontinued in 2021. The saddle pad color, we know it. It starts with M, ends with musk. Oh my God, I love you guys. Thanks for the packaging. Okay, the note is, as always, thank you. Love you, Tried EQ. Love the whole team. Now, let's get into it, guys. Let's unbox this beauty. She had a long journey over here. She had a very long journey. It's even prettier in person. Oh my God. No way. It's even prettier than the picture. Oh my schnitzel doodle. It's perfect. Now let's see. No bloody way. Oh my OMFG, guys. Oh my schnitzels. Look how amazing it is. I love you, Tried EQ. I love you guys. You are my bestest friends. I love you. Thank you so much. It fits perfectly. It's amazing. This is the musk, guys. This is what the musk looks like. What do we think? Ah! I love it. It's Lemieux activewear. In the back. It's so comfortable, guys. This is perfect. Thank you, Tried EQ. Thank you, Lemieux. I love you guys so much. Thank you. Bye, guys. Thanks for watching. See you in the next vlog.